Hello and welcome to Hanix Motorsport. In the Civic we've got the dreaded display malfunction. As you can see, the pixels they don't know what they're doing. So we're going to take this out and we're going to try and repair it. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is take this panel off. Got some trim tools, just get them down there and pop it up. Gets a bit tight in that corner, but a bit of persuasion, they'll come out. One side is out, you can see the two screws. Take them out now. Once you've taken out those two screws with a Phillips screwdriver, coming over to the clocks themselves, there's a panel on top, just pull that off. Once that's off, then once that top cover is removed, you then need to pull the actual clocks themselves out. So basically they are quite tight. You need to pull it forward and up at the same time, and then it should come out like that. Okay, and removing this here, you're going to need to pull underneath. This corner here gets very tight, so what I did, I put this in the corner in between there, just prise it slightly, and then have your arm under there and then pull at the same time, pushing it out, and it should then just pop out like that. Okay. And then to remove the screen from the car completely, if you turn it like that, you're going to see that green connector is in there. And basically to get that out, you're going to put your hand behind the screen and push that down and pull out. And then as you have it, she's out. Now it's time to repair the inside of it. Okay, we have the screen here now. What you want to do is these tabs here, you want to unclip them with this thing, the old pry tool. Get that in there. Once you've done the front and the back, it should just lift off. The reason I take it off is easier to work on, because otherwise it's on a bit of an angle. So if we take that off, you're left with the screen. Flip them upside down. Okay, to get this back bit off, you need to take off the 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one there, 5 and 6. Once you've prized them out of the way, you'll see two tabs. And if I take this off, there's one there. You push that back, there's another one there. Just push them back. So when that's on there, you can see where that would go in there. So just push that back, and there we have it. And turn this around now. So basically the issue with these is there's insufficient power going to the circuit board on the connectors. So basically these lines here match up with the ones on top. So basically from here to there, there's not enough power. That's what's giving you that display of pixel distortion. So we're going to resolder these, and fingers crossed it's good to go. Okay, we've resoldered the joints now, and we're about to try it in the car. Okay, so we have done the repair. It's time to test it now. So I've built it back up. All the trims are back in. And the moment of truth. Fantastic. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.